My name is Ben Firkin. I'm a sales trade rep at Pella here in Des Moines, and I've been here for a little over 4 years. I start with phone calls in the morning from 8 to 10, kind of just catch up on my work the day before, working on quotes and just following up with customers if they've got projects from a couple months ago and maybe you go on an install or anything like that. Sometimes I'm meeting with homeowners, sometimes I'm meeting with builders, and that's two different people. Homeowners like to go in depth of what the window's gonna look like, all that stuff. What's the stain, anything that's the colors. So gotta have it sorted out, but then builders are great to work with because that's gonna be a longer relationship. I knew a little bit about sales, but I just went into it and you learn as you go every day. Every day is different, which is what I love. I really got to build relationships with customers and my coworkers and get to meet and help people build out their houses, their dream houses, so it's great. Pella Passion's everything, so even though it's a corporation, we still feel like a family brand. Everything takes time. I had to start at zero and work my way up with clients, but it's a great career.